You'll be fine. That's okay. Yeah, shake it out.
Dave, are you hungry? Say yeah!
Ian.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
It all started when my mom met my dad, and they fell in love, and they had me. Hi, I'm Ryan, and my life, it's kind of crazy.
Besamin, uma semana que você não penteia o pelinho. Não! Eu tô mostrando pra você o tufo que saiu do seu pelo, tá? Isso aqui é tufo, embaraçado. Para, Benjamin, solta! Mas que coisa! Não é...
Some people are like slinkies. They have no real purpose, but it makes you smile when you push them down a flight of stairs.
I would like to thank you for guarding me while I poop. You took a job that nobody wanted, and you really stepped up to the plate. Poppy.
Sorry, Scooty.
Da cenourinha. A cenourinha gosta do Benjamin. Mas o Benjamin parece que não gosta da cenourinha.
So sleepy.
Look at this little baby, sunbathing in her little tent. Oh my god, that's so cute. Hello. Hi.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see.
O Benjamin não gosta da cenourinha. Nossa! Que isso? Nossa! Eu ia falar que você não gosta da cenourinha, mas você gosta da perinha. A gente a música da perinha pra você. Você não gosta de nenhuma das duas? Vixe! Mas a cenourinha continua gostando do besaminho.
Fat cat. Dusty chinchilla. Chonky. Chicken. Pork sandwich. Squirrel.
So I read on the internet that cats get on your laptop because they're mirroring you, and so if you get them their own laptop, they'll leave you alone. And look at this little businessman!
Boa noite, besaminho. Que isso, cara? A cenourinha veio te dar da cenourinha. Nossa, isso tudo é raiva da segunda-feira.
Motherfucker. Cooter, it's a good thing that I'm only slightly allergic to you because your entire rib cage is in my nose right now. I know you don't care, that's why you lay across me like a roll of Mexican sausage.